Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare Delhi papad at home just by steaming it in a idli pan. In a mixer, add 1 glass of rava. Grind it into a fine powder. Rava is finely powdered. Add 1 glass of water to this powdered rava. Salt to taste. And just grind it again. Once it is done, you can add another glass of water. So totally for 1 glass of rava, I am adding 2 glasses of water. Just mix it with a spoon. Now just transfer this batter into the bowl. Two tablespoons of jeera seeds. 2 tablespoons of chili flakes. And few chopped coriander leaves. Coriander leaves is completely optional. Mix them well and let it soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, now let's make papad in a idli pan. In a small plate, just put 2 tablespoons of batter. Depending upon your plate size, the batter may vary. Similarly, I am making another plate. As I am using a small plate, just 2 tablespoons of batter is sufficient. Just steam it in a idli pan. In this process, it does not take too much of time to get dried up. It will dry up very soon. Once it is done, just detach the edges with a knife and just remove it carefully. And our papad is almost done. Just dry it on a cover for 1 day. Here are some broken papad pieces. Now I am going to dry this papad for 2 days in the sun. I have just transferred into a big plate. It has dried up very well and became hard. Now it's time for us to fry this papad. Make sure that oil is in medium flame. When you drop this papad, it should puff up. Wow, it looks so yummy. Just garnish it with some chili powder and salt. Tasty exhibition style Delhi papad is ready at home. It is very easy to make fresh papad at home. Try this wonderful recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal for many more fresh and simple recipes.